How to insert and remove the butterfly matrix correctly. Ensure the butterfly feature is positioned on the opposite side of your restoration. For example, in a veneer or class 3 restoration, it will be on the palatal side. Position the wedge towards the gingiva. Firmly hold the matrix just above the two wedges and stretch it tightly. Begin a gentle sawing motion in the interproximal zone until the wedge reaches the gingiva. Pull forward firmly until the butterfly touches the palatal surface of the tooth and the wedge engages and passes through the gingival embrasure. Continue pulling to stretch the strip taut again, using 2 fingers of one hand to grip the middle of the strip, create an anchor. With your other hand, hold the other matrix end and floss it between 2 to 3 teeth distally. If necessary, smooth the strip so it sits flush against the anterior teeth. Once the restoration is complete, simply pull to remove the matrix.